Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you about using the custom field called contact preferred name. Now why would you want to use contact preferred name? I'll give you a great example. You all know me as Dar, but my real name is Darwin, and I don't want to get texted from people, hey Darwin, your appointment reminder is this, or your appointment is such, right? I want people to say, hey Dar, here's your appointment, or your appointment is today. So here's how you do that for your customers. As you can see, in the contact screen, I've got my first name, my full name, Darwin, right? And then I've got preferred name, Dar. Of course, my last name, my contact information, of course, some other custom fields. But here's how you do it. It's really pretty easy. You're going to go down to settings, and in settings, you're going to go to custom fields. And inside of custom fields, you're going to create add field. And when you add field, you're going to choose which kind of field you want. In this case, you would click single line, and then you would click next, and then you would type in whatever you want the name to be. In this case, you'd type in preferred name. You would put which group you want it to be under. In this case, we're also putting it in the contact group, and then you hit save. Well, I'm gonna not do that because I've already done it. And so now I have my contact field. If I go to my folders under contacts, you can see I've got preferred name, which by the way, you can organize these fields anywhere you want in the contact card. And so I've got it right under first name. So I get out of this and I go next to forms. So how and where do you put preferred name in the contact card itself? So this is an example of an opt-in form. I have first name, I have contact preferred name, last name, etc. So when someone puts their information in, they would put it in right here. In my case, I'd put in Darwin, and then I'd put in Dar, then I'd put in my last name. But maybe someone doesn't actually have a nickname. They're just, Steve Jones or Joe Smith or whatever it might be, and they skip that, and that's fine. So now we're going to go to our workflows. Now, I know you've probably been taught that when you send out a message, you use your custom fields and you say, hi, contact first name. This is Bob's Plumbing Shop, or, hi, contact first name a lot. We lead with hi, contact preferred name with everyone. But you might say, hey, why would you do that if some people don't give you contact preferred name? So here's the nuance to that. What you're going to do is, and I will show you, let's see, I'm in marketing. Let's go to admin, folders. There are a couple of different ways to populate that. Number one is the form that I just showed you. They put their information in the form, you get the contact preferred name. But let's say that you don't have that information through a form. Maybe you already have a database full of contact first names, but no contact preferred name. But you want to move all of your messaging to say contact preferred name, right? So for example, here's a simple birthday workflow that says, hi, contact preferred name. So it would say, hi Dar, just want to wish you a happy birthday, blah, blah, blah. So by changing everything to hey, contact preferred name, this way we're consistent and we don't have to say, well, do you use preferred name? Do we use contact, first name? We just use preferred name on everything. And as we come back here, I'll show you how the nuance. So on contact created, if the contact is created and they don't give us a preferred name, what we're going to do is we're going to look to say, under contract created, trigger, if preferred name is empty, then we are going to update that contact field we're going to update the contact field preferred name with the contact's first name. So that way it's automatically filled out. And that's on contact creation. Let's say you already have contacts in your database. How do you do that? So really simple, we just do it in manual. There's actually no trigger. You're going to add people to this workflow. So you would select the contacts that you would want to select, whether everybody or a few people, and then you just add them simply to this workflow that then says, is preferred name empty? And if it is not, to update the contact preferred name field with contact first name. And that is, that's how you do it. And that is just a cool nuance that sets you apart from others, makes things, for people like me who go by a different name than our actual full first name, it just makes the contact feel a little more special and heard. So that's it. Hey, if you like this tip, this is the first of many to come. keep an eye out for more emails with future tips. And then, yeah, if you think it's helpful, give me a comment. I appreciate it. I don't know where I'm going to post this, but wherever I do, if there's a place to put a comment, man, I would love to know if this was helpful, and share it with people that you think might benefit. I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much, and have an awesome day.